If you want power, punch and impact in your productions, you simply cannot look past the percussion section. And in this third volume of our sampled orchestral programming series, I'm going to go there with cinematic percussion. On this course, you're going to learn a variety of techniques for programming really impactful percussion. We're going to firstly learn the different articulations that percussionists have at their disposal. Not just hits, but roughs, rolls, flams, all of the ways that drums can be hit to bring a realism and a human approach to the ways that we can work even with sampled orchestral instruments. But what we're also going to do is to learn how we can begin to build ensembles, to take an individual percussion part and grow it into something really impactful and huge sounding. So if you're interested in writing for trailers, for instance, this is going to be a course that is going to allow you to really tap into how enormous those ensembles can be. But I also know that sometimes what we're doing when we're writing is that we want to get a percussion solution together quite quickly. Maybe the deadline is ticking on a particular project, and what we need to do is to get a variety of vibey sounds into our mix as quickly as possible. So I'm also going to show you how to mine the loop libraries of percussion samples that are out there in the world as well, so that we can be selecting the right parts to build the grooves of our choices, so that we're in a position to really personalize and make that content our own. And of course, what we're going to do is to always start, as we do on all of these courses, from the very beginning. You're going to have a chance to see me build entire pieces of music from scratch, so you can see how my creative process works. And so hopefully you can learn from the experience that I've got writing music for television to see how I bring my cinematic percussion parts to life, so that you can then apply those same techniques to your tracks too.